we are asked to determine the quartiles of each data set using the approximation method. We're going to look at part B. Again, remember I said the first question you should ask yourself when given a data set is my data in order? As we see here, our data isn't in order. So we need to place the data in order before we move further. So we will get, now that our data set is placed in order, the next thing we need to do is to find the median. Median is the very middle value of the data set. It's the value that breaks the data set into two equal parts. To do that, we first need to know how many values do we have. Here, if we count the number of values we have, we see that we have 15 numbers. To break 15 numbers into two parts, we see that it's going to be two parts of 7 with the middle value 75. So this 75 is standing right here with 7 values on its left and 7 values on its right. This value right here is what we call the median of this particular data set. In terms of quartile, we call it Q2. Now we need to find Q1 and Q3. Q1 is the median of the lower half data set. So this is the lower half. The middle value of this lower half is this 67 right here, because it has 3 values on its right and 3 values on its left. So this value here, we call it Q1. Same thing, we look at the upper half of our data set. We see that 79 is breaking this upper half into 2, with 3 values on its right and 3 values on its left. This value right here, we call it Q3. So we have Q1 67, Q2 75, and Q3 79. He could be asked to find the interquartile range, which is abbreviated as IQR. It's nothing but Q3 minus Q1, which gives 12. What is the minimum of our data set? It's the lowest number in the data set, 59. What is the maximum? The maximum is the highest value in our data set. That's right here. So, in summary, these numbers in box are our quartiles, or the quartiles of our given data sets, this data set right here. And then its mean or minimum is 59 and its max is 85.